folks, what's up? I hope you're all doing great, keeping safe. Welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm at T3 Delhi Airport and I'm going out for a 15 days trip. This trip is going to be super exciting because I'm going to Europe for the very first time, and where better to start than the city of love, Paris. So I'm traveling there to visit my brother and bhabi who live there. So they're gonna come pick me up at the airport and I'm super excited to see them. I'm gonna be visiting their house that they have bought recently for the very first time, and also Paris in general for the very first time. It's gonna be super exciting. I'm so excited and I can't wait to take you all along for the adventure. So stay tuned and keep watching. Right now I'm waiting for my check-in to be done because I'm traveling on staff travel. Because I work for an airline, so we are privileged to get some discounted flight tickets. But the only problem with the staff travel is that you get the seats only based on the load. So if it's a full load, then there are low chances for you to get the seats. I'm hoping that I'll get a seat because the person who is at the check-in counter is someone that I know. He's very sweet, and I have requested him that I really have to go. So if he can kindly provide me with a seat. If not, then we also have something called jump seats, which is occupied by the staffs, but we get some extra jump seats usually. Like not every time we get full crew complement, so there are extra jump seats which are available, so we can also occupy that as staffs. But for that, for getting those seats, you need to first take permission from captain, which I have already done. So if I'm not gonna get a seat, hopefully I'll get a jump seat. But there are also, like I said, other staffs like me who have also might have requested captains for the same jump seat. So yeah, there's a lot of protocols that needs to be done, but yeah, let's hope for the best, and I hope that I'll get the seat. I'll see you guys in a while. Till then, stay tuned. I'm going to share everything with you all, and we'll also try and give you some travel tips if possible in between. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, so a quick update. I finally got the seat and my boarding pass. I'm done with immigration and my security check. Now I'm rushing towards the gate because usually the staff tickets are allotted towards the end, like just maybe 1 or 1.5 hours before the boarding starts. So the boarding is almost halfway done, and now I'm just about to reach towards the gate, so I have to rush. But yeah, I'm so happy. You know what? One thing I've realized for sure, staff tickets come along with a lot of waiting, but once you get it, you realize that you've actually saved a lot of money. So I'm happy about that. All right, see you Bhaiya and Bhabhi in Paris. Oh, finally landed in Paris, guys. It's pretty cold in here. My brother did tell me that it's gonna be cold, but it feels really cold. It's 2 degrees here right now, but it feels like -2. I'm at the Terminal 2C of Charles de Gaulle Airport, and it's pretty easy to navigate at this airport. Things are things are pretty easy to navigate here at this airport because the departures and the arrival is at the same level, so you don't really have to struggle. I'm right now waiting for my brother to arrive. He said he's gonna be here in another 10 to 15 minutes. I stepped outside just to see a little like how the weather is and how cold it is, but it's pretty cold, like I said, so I'm gonna step in and step inside again because otherwise I'm gonna catch cold. Once he is here, my bhabhi told me they will call me and then I will step out. In the meanwhile, I'll try to show you around a little maybe. So yeah, so like I said, here at this airport the arrival and the departures are the same level, so you don't really have to struggle much. So you can I exited from gate number 15, and you get all the taxis and all the cabs available right in front of the exit, so you wouldn't really have to struggle with that. And if you're waiting for someone to pick you up, then till the time you can maybe enjoy coffee or something. There are a few coffee shops right there towards the departures. This is the arrival side and the departure side is towards that side. So I saw Paul's Cafe there, so you can maybe enjoy coffee in the meanwhile. And there are a lot of kiosk machines to help you out with the check-in and all of that, so you really wouldn't have to struggle with that. Oh, it was such a long flight. It felt like a never-ending flight. वैसे तो मैं 15 घंटे की फ़्लाइट करने की मेरे को आदत है, बट ये वाला पता नहीं मुझे क्यों इतना ज़्यादा नेवर एंडिंग लग रहा था. मे बी बिकॉज आई वॉज डूइंग नथिंग एंड जस्ट सिटिंग एट वन प्लेस स्लीपिंग समटाइम्स, मे बी समटाइम्स वॉचिंग मूवी. तो ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे ये फ़्लाइट कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होगी. बट या आई वॉज रियली टायर्ड एंड आई गॉट अ गुड स्लीप इन फ्लाइट, सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. मैं इस फ़्लाइट से पहले न्यूयॉर्क फ़्लाइट ऑपरेट करके उतरी हूँ, तो आई वॉज सो फ्रिकिंग जेट लैग्ड एंड आई हार्डली गॉट टाइम टू टेक रेस्ट. सो अच्छा हुआ कि मुझे थोड़ा अच्छा रेस्ट मिल गया फ़्लाइट पे. एंड या लेट्स वेट फॉर भैया एंड भाभी. I'm gonna make you all meet my भैया भाभी, so just wait until they arrive. Hello! Hello! How are you? I was looking for the car. Where's the car?
It's there. He's there. Give me this.
Wait, hold on. Can we get it done from here?
Just take the bags and
Okay, cool. We'll do that. Wait. I'll help you. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Okay, fine.
Where's the car?
There. चलो.
Okay.
टाइम अपने पास कम है.
अच्छा, okay. 10 minutes. All right. Let's. Give me the bag. Give me one bag. I'll hold this. Look at that. Woo. Look at. Wait, this is heavy, okay? Hold on.
गाड़ी कैसा लगा?
Awesome, bro.
तो इसी में गाड़ी मार.
मैं तो कब से खोज रही थी कि कहाँ है गाड़ी, कहाँ है. But I couldn't spot it. I'm like, where's the black Mercedes?
he's standing like on loss.
Hey, you have that thing. No?
I have it.
Okay.
It's cold, yeah. It's actually very cold, yeah.
Yes, it is.
How much time is it gonna take for us to reach now? 40 minutes.
45. Oh, उसको दिख रहा है. 45 minutes max.
Okay.
We have some at home.
Okay, we have Bodo here. What else do we have? Whoa.
This is called pavilion.
Okay.
And this is the entrance.
यहाँ से
for
only
our,
people who live inside can go. And here we are at our residence. All private houses.
Where does your boss stay?
I'll show you. This is my boss's house. Adrian's house is this.
Acha, okay.
And our house, number 19.
Oh, you guys are legit neighbors.
Yeah.
Nice. I
This
used
is
to
our
think
house,
probably
number
it's the
19.
same locality, but didn't know
And
like so
see, this
close.
is all fully private.
private. Only the house owners can come inside.
Yes, it's fine.
Bienvenue.
House is a little bit of a mess. It's fine. I understand.
Yo. आ जाइए, madam. Please enter.
Thank you. Oh wow. Oh nice.
Yes.
Where's Chester?
वो आएगा.
It's huge, yeah.
अभी देखो पीछे का भवन. तब पता चलेगा huge क्या होता है. हाँ.
Oh, I love the sofa.
Thank you. सब खुद से सेटअप किया, हाथ से बैठ के.
मस्त लग रहा है. I also
ये
like the rug.
Come and see the backyard.
Oh.
Voila.
Wow, look at the view.
This is
Beautiful,
as
yeah.
peaceful and nature के पास.
I'm
as it
going to
can get.
spend most of the time here. आई स्वेयर मैं इधर ही बैठने वाली हूँ. क्या व्यू है यार, सो पीसफुल. ये इस पे बना सकते हैं क्या, यूज कर सकते हैं?
कर सकते हैं, बट ये थोड़ा पुराना हो गया, उनका पड़ा हुआ था, तो वी आर प्लानिंग टू बाय अ न्यू वन.
थोड़ा रस्टेड है ये, बट क्या सेटअप है ऑलरेडी,
वो तो ऐसे
मजेदार.
ये संभाल के, इट्स अ रोज प्लांट, इट्स ग्रोन टू मच, यू हैव टू कट इट. बट इधर भी, इधर आ जा सामने.
Oh, this is like that Harry Potter wala
Yeah.
tree.
Yeah, it's exactly that tree.
Prisoner of Azkaban wala. Nice. This is that Harry Potter wala tree.
That's what we always.
So this is all ours, and
Oh, we can go down
till that road, it's all our land.
till that road.
Yeah, everything is
Bro,
ours.
what are you saying?
These are apple trees and prune trees and everything. All those are ours.
Wow. तो इसको तो क्लीन करके तुम लोग और भी अच्छे से धीरे धीरे कर
वही
सकते हो.
plan है. We have to grow
Wow.
everything. So for now there are some trees. There are 2-3 apple trees, prune and stuff like that. And ये एक bay
I
leaf
love
का tree
prunes.
लगा हुआ है, जो कि कभी मरता नहीं है.
कौन सा, क्या ट्री?
This one that
Okay.
even during winter has leaves. It's bay leaves.
Oh, okay. Where's prunes?
That at the edge, that one.
Oh, okay, okay.
And then
Beautiful.
here, from after this is a normal walking and cycling road. And just after that, all the greenery is a World Heritage Site.
Okay.
UNESCO. Trees and all. No one can cut it. It's part of that site, so it has to be properly well maintained.
Okay.
And everything by the government. और उसके पीछे पूरा अपना हजारों एक्टिविटीज होते हैं, पानी का.
Wow.
सब कुछ कर सकते हो.
Nice, yeah.
Yo.
Lovely.
Okay, let's take her to Chester.
Beautiful. Shara bhabhi, I told him that I'm gonna spend maximum time here.
It's all yours.
Outside.
But I think I hope the weather permits to do that.
Oh yeah. So far looks good, the weather.
अभी तक मेरे लिए ये सब डाइनिंग टेबल वगैरह आया हुआ है, सब सेट करना है. ये लाइट कल रात को 1 बजे बैठ के सेट कर रहे थे, बट फिर पता चला जो बल्ब्स लेके आए हैं, इट इज too powerful for them, so we have to change. So we will go in some time to change all that shit, and then we'll set this up, then the table, then the chairs, and then it will be beautiful.
Look at the tools.
And this is what I use to do DIY.
इसको तो समझने में मेरे को 1 हफ्ता लग जाएगा. The amount of tools are there.
It's your kitchen.
Oh, sorry, kitchen.
Oh, this is for
The kitchen.
okay. Okay.
And this is our most prized possession.
Coffee.
The coffee maker. Nice, nice.
The best coffee making machine ever, for us at least.
Hey, look at this. So cute.
Yo.
Nice.
And here behind this door is the garage, which I don't think you would want to see, but I will still show you because that shows the reality. Every dabba till now of all the housework is stored in there, plus all the raw materials that were used to do everything.
So basically it's a storeroom.
Yeah. It's a mess. See.
Oh, okay.
Paints and dabbas and this and that and everything, which we have to slowly. Half the things are used for, some of the things are used for DIY, some of the things people who came to work and everything, because we redid the entire flooring and painting.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And the kitchen, did you guys do some changes in the kitchen? Or it was
just
like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
So till
But we
for
will
now
do
we are
it,
keeping it. Our plan is to break this wall to make it open kitchen.
Oh.
So that we will do
Got
jab paisa aega.
This is the bathroom toilet.
Another prized possession.
What? Which what?
जेब चल गई इसको खरीदने में.
अच्छा, Dyson.
एक वैक्यूम क्लीनर के पीछे.
Oh god.
You can chill here.
Oh, okay.
We have this, we have shower, we have
Nice.
everything.
बचपन से इसको बाथटब के लिए बहुत ज्यादा फैसिनेशन है. पापा कोई भी होटल रूम लेते थे तो फर्स्ट थिंग ही यूज्ड टू लुक फॉर हिज बाथटब.
Used actually.
What?
मेरे को
This
अच्छा
one?
लगता था देखने में. No, not this. Any hotel.
नहीं
ये एक दो बार ही किया है।
एक दो बारी तो हाँ
ये अपना ड्रायर और वॉशिंग मशीन लगा हुआ है।
Okay.
टॉयलेट
एंड दिस इज द
अच्छा
Toilet.
oh I thought it's the same toilet but different way
No,
I
no,
mean
no.
different
This is,
entrance
and this got finished last night
Yesterday.
actually.
oh
Till day before yesterday it was a completely different thing with a very old dirty looking toilet.
okay
And we got this modern style toilet and everything and redid all this तोड़ फोड़ करके इधर सब फिक्स करा के कल खत्म हुआ है।
so ये pot भी नया लाया
सब कुछ नहीं,
सब
oh
सब कुछ कल रात को काम खत्म हुआ है, रात को 9:30-10 बजे।
wow nice
Literally, we redid both the toilets because we were like कि भाई हम लोग we adjusted at the beginning but we were like कि कोई आए घर पे तो we
तो चाहिए
we
हो।
should have clean toilets at least. They were very old toilets which was already there. Oh,
Oh.
the ground floor
is the
bedroom,
main bedroom.
which we are not using for now because we are trying to put everything first in the upper floor
okay
and then we will, because we have to make cupboards and all. For now there is a piano here.
the piano
Yeah. And there is one small cupboard here.
they are going to take this back no or I think no, they are not going to take it back anymore
Yeah. तो इधर हम लोग को कबर्ड बनाना है इस दीवार पे पूरा फुल और इधर बेड रखेंगे।
so this will be your bedroom
This is the main bedroom.
main
But
bedroom
For now,
okay अच्छा
अभी तक हमने इसको किया नहीं है क्योंकि जब तक कबर्ड नहीं बन जाता ना बेड लगा के फायदा नहीं। So we don't want to block the way. So we are waiting.
what is this cupboard
This is also a small cupboard. For now we are using it just to keep.
but this is not a master bedroom
This is the master bedroom.
नहीं but इसमें वॉशरूम अटैच नहीं है ना
वो वॉशरूम
कॉन्सेप्ट इधर नहीं है
यूरोप में अटैच बाथरूम वाला कॉन्सेप्ट होता है।
okay because master bedroom is like which has a bathroom
This
attached
is supposed to be connected.
okay
But then they have done some adjustment so that तुम यहाँ से आओ।
चलेगा कितना ही दूर है I mean it's
we
just
don't not use that cupboard we can just break it
break it हाँ that's what I was about
Then
to
make
say you
a door,
guys can
but
do that
for me it's
for us
unnecessary.
yeah
what is this
oh, this is to hang jackets
oh okay
Okay now.
this is also cupboard
Yeah,
Yeah.
these are all cupboards.
oh
तो
nice
अभी इसमें सब सामान रखा हुआ है क्योंकि हमारा मेन कबर्ड्स बना नहीं है। जब मेन कबर्ड्स बन जाएंगे then I want to get this place removed.
or maybe you can keep shoes and all no yeah
No,
No,
shoes
shoes
का अलग
we do
इधर
it here.
इधर
Okay.
करेंगे and this place we will remove it completely. तो यहाँ पे बस कोट हैंगर बैठने की जगह and
Okay.
some table with mirror and everything. A clean setup we will do. We will remove
Nice.
entirely this entire thing. Okay, now talking.
we go to Chester first or
I want to meet Chester I'm gonna be scared for sure but let's see let's meet Chester I'm so excited
This is our room that we have been using for now. Okay.
would you
Chester, कंबल के नीचे लेटा हुआ है।
Chester hi
ये देखो कौन आया।
hello
देखो कौन आया। देखो देखो देखो।
Shara Bobby hold this
I'll put some light for you
hi hello
ये डर नहीं रहा यार इससे। नॉर्मली जाके छुप जाता है।
what's the idea
पकड़ सकती है तू पहले इसको एक
इसको
बार
कुछ
खेल
क्लिक
उसके
करना
साथ।
है क्या मुझे
क्या करूं
उस डोर क्लोज कर दे जिससे बाहर ना भागे। एंड पहले उसको थोड़ा ऐसे ही पेट कर सर पे।
hi
Chester!
डर रहा है वो I think
नहीं नहीं वो
He's
तू
scared.
नहीं तू वो आई ना अप्रोच किया ना
Okay,
उसको
okay.
इसीलिए।
ओए
ऐसे ही पेट कर उसको सर पे। डर मत आराम से कुछ नहीं करेगा
hi Chester
कुछ नहीं करेगा आराम से ऐसे कर उसके सर पे ऐसे लाइक दिस यस दैट्स इट
Chester
cute
मैं तेरे को इसका वीडियो चाहिए था क्या उसको कुछ क्लिक
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है
it's yeah it's on oops बस मैं first वाला वो interaction देखना था
इंटरेक्शन की तो वाट लगा दी इसने
अच्छा।
जूतों के वीडियो बना
चलो कोई नहीं it's okay
Chester! क्या हो गया क्या बोल रही क्या हो गया
ये कुछ हुआ है क्या उसको
नहीं तो
what are these
वो डस्ट
Oh.
काम चल रहा था ना टॉयलेट का
अच्छा ठीक है लेटा
अभी
we'll be
थोड़ा टाइम
friends
लगेगा
we'll be friends soon
1-2 मिनट देख के फिर ही
ओ ये चेस्टर का है
हाँ।
खेलने का
अभी इधर रखा है सो दैट ही गेट्स यूज्ड टू इट एंड देन वी विल नीचे लेके जाना है
Yeah. Nice meeting you. We'll be friends soon, hopefully.
But he's still.
Yeah, he's not running away.
Yeah.
Acha, usually he does.
Yeah, he'll hide.
Oh.
तू जा एक बार उसको अप्रोच कर.
Okay, let's try.
Give me. Hi. कुछ नहीं करेगा.
Hi.
देख, rub just in front of his tail.
In front of his tail. Yeah.
हाँ.
Do scratch.
Scratch. हाँ,
Yeah.
exactly. He likes it.
Hi.
Don't run away.
उसको
hiding away.
नहीं उसको कंबल में जाना है.
अच्छा, उसको ठंड लग रही है.
ठंड लग रही है कि पता नहीं, उसको अच्छा लगता है कंबल के अंदर जाके लेट जाना.
ये बेड उसी का है क्या? Oh no, you guys sleep here.
For now we are using this place.
I thought you guys sleep.
for him. Oh my god.
I was like, you guys have given one whole bed for him.
All three people are staying in this room for now.
Okay.
And then voila.
And then voila.
Then normally this room is supposed to be Shara's private space.
Okay.
She already has her office set up here.
Oh.
This place is her office setup. अभी just नया टेबल वगैरह चेयर वगैरह आया है. There is some more stuff to do. ये part is going to be kind of like a walk-in closet.
Oh, okay.
This place, तो ये सब हट जाएगा. उसके बाद it will become like a walk-in closet.
Oh, nice picture.
Yeah, that was like your office party, no? Annual office party or something. So this place will become like a
2025 में ही है ये खींचा है.
हाँ अभी कुछ महीने पहले इसका
जनवरी में था.
इसका ऑफिस का एनुअल पार्टी
Janvier.
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 वो इधर से तेरे
Janvier.
को आईफिल दिखेगा.
यहाँ
अभी
से?
नहीं दिखेगा. ये
you
तेरे
can
को
see-
पीछे बिल्डिंग्स दिख रहे हैं लंबे बिल्डिंग्स नहीं
एक
दिख
सेकंड
रहे.
चश्मा पहनने दे.
ओ सॉरी तू तो अंधी है. इसको खोल इधर से. Right now it's too foggy.
Yeah.
But can you see those?
Oh, yeah,
outline of
now,
that
yes.
is Central Paris.
Okay, okay.
And if you see the tallest one on the left side,
Tallest one on the. Oh yes,
left
got it.
side लंबा सा पतला
That
सा,
is the
that's
tip
Eiffel
of.
Tower.
Got it,
Yeah.
got it.
अभी रात के टाइम ना everything looks super clear. Right now it's a little foggy. But सुबह you can see the entire Paris, and this buildings is La Défense, the business quarter of
Okay.
Paris. But
Beautiful
it
view.
looks far from here because you have so many little things in front. So it's like optical illusion. It's a perspective thing. But right side mein there is a viewpoint. Okay, we will go there.
Okay,
walking, I'll show
so we
you.
can
It's
have a
like
better-
touristic spot
got it.
where people come.
How
So-
cool, yaar.
So from there
Residential area.
you will see that Paris looks much closer because
Okay.
there are not so many things in front. So actually it's not as far as it looks.
Got it.
So इधर अपना walk-in बनेगा जब बनेगा. बाकी इधर तो हम लोग सेटअप कर रहे हैं सब.
और
ये मेरा प्राइवेट रूम होने वाला है.
ये घर खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा.
Which is a complete mess right now because we have to set up.
अच्छा, यहाँ पे क्या बनेगा?
इधर मेरा ऑफिस और गेम रूम.
मैन केव.
Game room. Oh, nice.
तो अभी तक
Man
क्योंकि
cave.
हमारा नीचे सब काम चल रहा था, सब सामान हम ऊपर ले आए. बट अभी धीरे धीरे ये सब अरेंज करेंगे. उसके बाद फिर ये मेरा टेबल का सब सामान आ रखा है. ये देख इधर
गिटार.
हाँ इधर सब सामान आया हुआ है ऑफिस का मेरा. टेबल वो क्रिएट करने के लिए.
ये वाला?
ये ड्रॉअर्स हैं, वो इलेक्ट्रिक वाला स्टैंड है, ये
Okay.
टेबल टॉप है और उधर सब कुछ है. बट स्पेस बनाना पड़ेगा, वो टाइम नहीं मिला अभी तक.
Nice.
तो वो अरेंज करना है अभी. So this
Who
will
is
be-
thinking मैं कहाँ पर सोऊंगी?
नहीं.
अभी तक एक ही बेड है.
इतना जगह है घर पे. I think I'll adjust anywhere with Chester.
तेरे लिए ये स्पॉट है. इधर तेरे को एक चादर बिछा देंगे.
बेड डालेंगे.
इधर तेरे को चादर बिछा देंगे, तेरे को इधर
Okay,
नीचे
whatever.
सोना है.
अरे Harry Potter. You still attached to Harry Potter?
Dude, मैंने इसको चस्का लगा हैरी पॉटर का. मेरे से मिलने से
सब पढ़
पहले
लिया सारे.
इसने कभी पढ़ा नहीं था हैरी पॉटर. व्हेन शी
मैंने भी सारे नहीं पढ़े अभी तक.
फिर मैंने खरीद के दिया, बोला कि पढ़ तू बैठ के.
Nice. मेरे को भी पढ़ना है. अभी तक मैंने सारे
This
नहीं.
is the second toilet that was redone. That also finished yesterday. Both were completely in a fucked up situation. Fucked up in the sense like
Yeah, like.
the toilet was good, but the pots and everything was like as old as the owners. Very old.
Okay, okay.
Like with marks. And,
As old as the owners.
like it was
Lol.
super old and everything. So our objective was कि हम लोग को एक तो classic वाला नहीं चाहिए था, floating वाला चाहिए था, थोड़ा
Floating वाला.
modern चाहिए था,
Right.
और अच्छे क्वालिटी का चाहिए था. So we bought everything and redid everything. So this is the second toilet. This is the second bathroom.
इतना टॉयलेट, इतना बाथरूम, इतना सुसु पोटी कहाँ से लाते हो तुम लोग?
This one
वो
too.
आधे लोग पेरिस के यही आते हैं
सुसु पोटी, सुसु
इधर ये ना इधर
This
सब
washroom
storage
looks
space है.
very very nice, like
Yeah.
very
Like,
fascinating.
मेरा मन ये है ना कि ये शावर स्पेस को हटा के ना इधर एक थोड़ा जकूजी सेटअप कर देने का, so it will look really like
So and it has this.
I was about to say
moonlight
this.
here.
I was about to say this. ये jacuzzi के लिए this is a
and
perfect.
पूरा सेटअप भी वैसा किया
setup.
हुआ है.
Yeah,
और
perfect
ये सब
setup.
थोड़ा सा ओल्ड है, ये सब वास्क वगैरह एंड ऑल दैट. दिस वी नीड टू चेंज बिकॉज़ दिस इज वेरी ओल्ड
This is
स्टाइल.
old.
1990s
Yeah.
का डिजाइन है.
But doesn't look that bad though, to be very honest.
Doesn't
मतलब
look that
हाँ,
bad, but-
No, but if you keep seeing it for 2 days, then.
But
Oh,
I want
okay.
modern stuff. I don't
Oh,
like this
okay,
old.
okay, okay.
And this is your room
My room.
with a little
Yes.
surprise.
Oh. Little. Is this for me?
Yes.
It's for us, but we kept it in your room.
So sweet.
A little French product.
French
stuff.
Thank you
That's
so
for you.
much. मुझे actually चाहिए था, पता है? Oh, I told you guys.
No, but
Oh.
this is just for you.
Yeah, but
for, next
Shara
2
planned all this by herself and bought all the products, so
I'm gonna
I
look.
have nothing to do with this.
Thank
This is for you to use for next 2 weeks.
Thank you so much.
Then whatever you
2
like.
weeks ये उससे ज़्यादा चलने वाला है.
And this is going to be your bed. This is the biggest bed we have bought till now, so enjoy.
So you guys can sleep here, no?
No, we
We have because we first set up the bed there. That the bed you see there is
Huh.
the bed that I had bought 8 years ago in Paris.
Okay.
So when we bought, that was the bed that we already had. So we set it up there because given the space of the room. So we started staying there for until the time the work was going downstairs. And then next we bought this bed. And then we set it up here because this is the biggest room. This is like the upper ka master bedroom is this one. So
This
bed
is our
लगा
main
है.
guest room.
Okay.
So ये
This is gonna be the.
And now also, you're the guest.
Okay.
so ये बेड अभी है. ये लैंप है बट हमको और भी अभी चीजें लानी है,
चीजें
सेटअप
करना है,
करनी है.
हाँ.
तेरा सामान वामान रखने के लिए वी आर गोइंग टू गिव यू अ हैंगिंग थिंग where you can hang all your stuff. But we don't have a cupboard yet for you to keep. So
It's fine.
I hope you can manage.
And I don't think I should. I mean, do I have to get the luggage up? I'll get the clothes
नहीं
up.
नहीं वो ले आएंगे क्या
ले
दिक्कत है?
आएंगे।
भारी है ना बहुत.
नहीं
अरे
नहीं,
कोई नहीं।
हम लोग तो इतना बैग
हाँ.
सब लेके
और तेरे को तो अभी तो और इंडिया जाने तक तो और नीचे नहीं लेके जाना.
नहीं, नहीं.
सारे ट्रिप्स जो करेंगे वो तो छोटे बैग.
छोटे बैग्स हाँ. और वैसे हम कुछ ट्रिप कर रहे हैं क्या?
हाँ 3 ट्रिप कर रहे हैं. एक जा रहे हैं मूसा मिशेल which is like a island in the middle of sea connected by France mainland.
Okay.
Which is like a dreamy place.
Okay.
We have also not been there and we wanted to do a road trip, so we thought that why not, it's the best case. And then Amsterdam and Barcelona.
We are going to Amsterdam and Barcelona.
Yeah, obviously.
Seriously?
Yeah. And then also Amsterdam we are going
But is
to
it not too expensive? You were saying.
No, it's
कि last
it was-
minute booking.
I said expensive. Maybe some other places where we might have gone, but we couldn't go.
Oh my
but Amsterdam, Barcelona are big places, so there we can go easily. But there are small cities like Sevilla, this, that. There, if we want to go, it's double the price right now.
Oh,
but
okay.
we were like, कि even if we have been to these cities multiple times, it's your first time. So for you, even the main city would be like good thing, no?
Tears coming.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so let me know.
और
हम लोग बैठ के
Amsterdam में-
डिसाइड करेंगे कि कैसे क्या मतलब
और
कब जा रहे हैं
Amsterdam-
और मेरे को
हाँ,
बता
वो
देना.
अभी बस हम लोग को टिकट आज ही बुक करना है. वी वर वेटिंग फॉर यू सो दैट वी कैन डिस्कस द
Done,
फाइनल
done.
डेट्स ऑन
पहले
हाउ टू
हाँ.
ऑर्गेनाइज. बट सब देख के रखा हुआ है.
खाना खा लेते पहले.
हाँ,
You guys
और-
have not eaten anything yet.
वो कोई नहीं. और एम्स्टरडेम में हम लोग अपने एक फ्रेंड के घर में रुकेंगे. शी हैज इनवाइटेड अस. प्रिया, यू मेट हर, नो?
हाँ.
She lives
Oh
in
yeah,
Amsterdam.
she lives in Amsterdam.
So she
too.
invited
Yeah.
all of us to stay at her house.
Oh,
So we'll go and
so
live
sweet.
at her house. And Barcelona में तो कुछ ले लेंगे.
For how many days we going to Amsterdam?
Amsterdam
For?
2 days.
Oh,
Two-
so for
two-
both the days we are
2
going to be at
nights
her
and 3
place.
days. 2
Okay.
nights, 3 days, and then
And the entire stay is at home,
yeah,
house.
her
Okay.
house, and then from there we will take a flight to Barcelona.
Okay.
And Barcelona में जाके वहाँ पे 3-4 दिन रहेंगे. इतना घूमेंगे. उसके बाद फिर यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे
Done.
फ्लाइट लेके. वहाँ पे बुक करना पड़ेगा. वहाँ का स्टे अभी तक बुक नहीं हुआ है, बट ये मोसा मिशेल का स्टे ऑलरेडी बुक हो गया.
That we are going on the weekend. Friday जाके Sunday सुबह वापस.
लाइक फ्राइडे दोपहर को निकलेंगे, संडे सुबह वापस आ जाएंगे और संडे रात को बस पकड़ के एम्स्टर्डम. So you are going to do a proper Euro trip.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we don't have time to wait anyway.
All modes of transport you will do.
We are going to do car, we are going to do bus, we are going to do flight.
Oh my god, I'm gonna faint.
Train we'll do here only in Paris. All traveling around.
चलो तो मैं अच्छा खाने से याद आया, खाना खराब हो जाएगा तो मैं निकाल लेती हूँ, है ना?
निकाल के उसको फ्रिज में डाल देते हैं थोड़ी
तुम लोग अभी खा लो ना.
नहीं थोड़ा कॉफी पी के चिल करना.
चलो ठीक है. ओके
इतना
Okay, guys.
अभी उतना भूख नहीं लग रहा.
बाय फॉर नाउ. वी गोना ईट समथिंग. वी आर रियली हंग्री. उन लोगों ने कुछ खाया नहीं सुबह से. सो या बाय बाय. सी यू गाइस लेटर. माय स्टफ्स आर ऑल ओवर द प्लेस. माय स्टफ्स आर ऑल ओवर द प्लेस इन योर हाउस. ओके तो मम्मी ने बहुत कुछ भेजा है भैया और भाभी के लिए इंडिया से. मेरा बैग पूरा आधा खाली हो गया है. कुछ कुक्ड, हाँ कुक्ड फिश भेजा है और मटन भेजा है, अचार भेजा है और ये पेस्ट शारा भाभी के घर से आया है मैंगलोर.
नीचे वाइन मत दिखा. घर में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा.
Oh God, वो ऑलरेडी दिखा दिया मैंने गाड़ी में. ठीक है. दिस इज ऑल द वे फ्रॉम मैंगलोर and my stuffs are all over the place. My stuffs are all over the place in your house. Okay. तो मम्मी ने बहुत कुछ भेजा है भैया और भाभी के लिए इंडिया से. मेरा बैग पूरा आधा खाली हो गया है. कुछ कुक्ड, हाँ कुक्ड फिश भेजा है और मटन भेजा है, अचार भेजा है और ये पेस्ट शारा भाभी के घर से आया है मैंगलोर.
नीचे वाइन मत दिखा. घर में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा.
Oh God, वो ऑलरेडी दिखा दिया मैंने गाड़ी में. ठीक है. दिस इज ऑल द वे फ्रॉम मैंगलोर एंड ये क्या पेस्ट है भाभी? घी रोस्ट. दिस इज घी रोस्ट फ्रॉम मैंगलोर. घी रोस्ट पेस्ट एंड यार और ये सब ग्रोसरीज भेजा मम्मी ने. मिठाई भेजा है. दिस इज गुजिया. दिस इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ पतीसा एंड डोडा बर्फी. मैगी भैया का फेवरेट. ये नहीं मिलता यहाँ पे इंडियन स्टोर पे?
मिलता है उधर, सस्ते में मिलता है ना.
ओह अच्छा. दिस इज खट्टा मीठा मिक्सचर वॉलनट एंड सम स्पाइसेस. दिस आई गॉट फॉर भैया एंड भाभी फ्रॉम न्यूयॉर्क. राल्फ्स का कॉफी बीन्स एंड yeah, and this is my brother's most favorite snack, gujia. So I got the biggest pack
एक दिन मैं
possible.
फाकूंगा मैं.
तू ऐसे करोगे वो भी सरप्राइज.
तो मैं I told him कि इसका expiry.
I heard that.
I told him कि इसका expiry is in July.
पता चला यहाँ नहा रहा हूँ उसमें भी खा रहा हूँ. पोटी में बैठा हूँ उसमें भी खा रहा हूँ. गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ उसमें भी खा रहा हूँ.
I was just laughing when she asked that question.
I knew, okay?
जुलाई तो छोड़ा.
I knew कि जुलाई तक खत्म हो जाएगा. मम्मा was like कि इतना वो थोड़ी खाएगा. मैं बोला मम्मा just.
क्या मैं वीडियोस भेजूंगी.
This is the only thing that I eat.
Okay, so yeah, this is it.
View from kitchen while cooking. Isn't it nice?
Oh, so nice. रात को ये ट्रीज का हैंगिंग लाइट्स भी ऑन होता है क्या?
नहीं वो लाइट्स नहीं है, वो बर्ड फीडर है. लाइट्स हमें लगाने हैं.
I thought those are lights.
नो अभी लगाने हैं. वो भी अभी जाएंगे तो लगाएंगे धीरे धीरे सब सेट.